Okay, Sounds of Decay 3.
This is Frightful. What lies ahead? So, our obsession with the Poland-based label Gods of War continues, this time via a four-piece from Gdansk by the name of Frightful that have been dishing out a delicious blend of thrash and death metal for close to a decade at this point. Their second full-length album, What Lies Ahead, consists of 8 songs, most in the tidy 4 to 5 minute range, and it's a veritable cornucopia of whip-smart riff chugs, roller coaster leads, gorgeous harmonies, and even hook-heavy choruses with an air of dark philosophy. What's not to like?
Honestly, I've been listening to this album nonstop all week. The dark Euro brew of this band strikes me as a cross between the thrash of Prime Artillery crossed with the riff-packed death metal of Vader. The vocal style of bassist Oscar Wanka is simultaneously rich and husky, yet despite its guttural nature, the lyrics are surprisingly easy to understand, while drummer Krzysztof Pakanowicz is a full-on thrash metronome, laying down punishing stick work with incredible precision. So anyone that's confused by my artillery reference should definitely check out Disincarnate Sower. The glorious barking riff the band lays down, as well as subsequent ones, light up my corroded synapses the same way songs from artillery like Terror Squad and In the Trash did back in '87. But this is no retro thrash project. The 6+ minute Into the Phantom Hearts kicks off with crushing blasts from Pakanowicz before stepping into Inquisition-informed arpeggios that will make your headbanging heart go pitter-patter. Oscar dropping dark poetry like Snake in Disguise now slips into your heart as the song continues to stutter step through wild tempo changes spiced by all manner of wizard-like guitar fills from the deadly tandem of Powell Snarsky and Eric Jakubczyk. Yes, I know we're butchering these names, and despite the fact that I am Polish, but sorry about that. Let's play a little bit of Disincarnate Sower.
Finally, the album closer, Inexplicable, roars to life with mad fits of drumming and dizzying leads, crisscrossing in and out of each ear as the song moves to a frenzied gallop. Oscar seething, faces of your worthless kind, devoid of all laws and basics. The songwriting changing masterfully to a sprightly mid-pace a la Creator circa 1989. Set up a guitar solo. Just when we least expect it, cling guitars erupt out of nowhere for an introspective seg before percussion storms in for Oscar to scowl the chorus, consisting simply of the word inexplicable. Now that's how you close out an album, kiddos. The album officially drops at the end of February, but I would highly recommend hitting godsofwar.com. That's gods with a Z and of with a V, so you can snag a gorgeous orange and yellow gatefold copy of this crusher. The first truly incredible album, 2025, has officially arrived.
Okay, check this out. This is Inexplicable.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.